Welcome to my channel Study for Education. Today I discuss with you about Madhyamik Geography map pointing from 2019 and 2020. And I hope that this video you must like and this will be must be helpful for you. First I discuss 2019 and then 2020. Here is a question paper from 2019 geography paper and map pointing from group F6. Locate the following with appropriate symbols and names on the given outline map of India. Attach the map with your answer paper. Number 1, 6.1 Vindhya Mountain. And this is the point of Vindhya Mountain. 6.1. At first you draw like this and then write 6.1 and Vindhya Mountain. 6.2 Loktak Lake. You draw here the lake and then write 6.2 Loktak Lake. And 6.3 River Mahanadi. You draw the river and then draw the direction of the river like this and then write 6.3 River Mahanadi like this. 6.4 our point was one rain shadow region. One rain shadow region is Shillong. So you point this location and write 6.4 and one rain shadow region and in bracket write Shillong like this. 6.5 one mangrove forest region. We know that our mangrove forest region very famous is Sundarban. So you locate this region like this and then write 6.5 one mangrove forest region Sundarban. Here is the location. Okay. 6.6 is one desert soil region. You draw like this here to the west side like this. Write 6.6 one desert soil region. Third. 6.7 one sugarcane producing region of North India. Our sugarcane producer region around India is Punjab, Haryana, UP, Uttar Pradesh. So here I locate the region of UP, Uttar Pradesh and then 6.71 sugarcane producing region of North India and in bracket Uttar Pradesh. 6.8 one heavy engineering industrial center of Eastern India. And Eastern India heavy pointing is our Durgapur. So I locate this area region and then at 6.8 one heavy engineering industrial center of Eastern India is Durgapur like this. Okay. 6.9 Visakhapatnam port. You draw the port region like this and then 6.9 Visakhapatnam port. 6.10 a mega city of western coast. We know that Mumbai is a mega city of western coast, so I draw the point and then write 6.10 a mega city of western coast Mumbai. So Here is the Madhyamik 2019 map pointing. If there is any problem, you of course comment me. I must always try to solve your problem. Okay? Madhyamik 2019 map pointing. Now, I discuss with you about 2020 map pointing. 6.1 Aravalli Mountain. Here is the mountain. You draw mountain like this and then write 6.1 Aravalli Mountain. 6.2 is River Narmada. Here is the River Narmada. This is the direction and write 6.2 River Narmada. 6.3 Highest rainfall receiving center in Northeast India. And we know Mawsynram. So you draw this point and write 6.3 highest rainfall receiving center in Northeast India and in bracket Mawsynram. 6.4 Forest Research Institute of India, and we know that our Forest Research Institute of India is Dehradun. So draw this point and write 6.4 Forest Research Institute of India, Dehradun. Okay? Write the name into the bracket. 6.6 A coffee producing region, and we know the Karnataka is a very famous coffee producing region. So here is the Karnataka and I located this position like this arrow and write 6.6 a coffee producing region Karnataka. Then 6.7 Ruhr of India. We know that Durgapur is called Ruhr of India. So locate this position by point and then write 6.7 Ruhr of India Durgapur into the bracket. 6.8 India's largest IT industrial, and that is Bangalore. So you draw this point and write 6.8 India's largest IT industrial, Bangalore. 6.9 a natural port of Western India, and that is Mumbai. So I locate this position like this and write 6.9 a natural port of Western India, Mumbai. And 6.10 largest mega city of Northern India, and that is Delhi. So I mark this like this and write 6.10 largest mega city of Northern India bracket into the bracket Delhi. So this is the full map pointing of Madhyamik 2020. This is the map pointing. You look it completely and fully. I hope this video of course helpful for you. If you like this video, so of course like my channel, share your friends and subscribe my channel to get another video like this. So of course, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.